Mihango-ini ya umuthenya Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kindiki ni acerete kaunti-ini ya Turkana hindi ya firigisheni ya guthurima ugitiri wa muingi mwena uyu kurumirira ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri kaunti-ini ino.
We have been here to review the security situation here. As you are aware, there is an ongoing operation to deal with the security challenges, especially banditry and livestock rustling in northern Rift Valley, including Turkana County.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro ari kaunti-ini ya Turkana, Kindiki ni augite ati thirikari nene manyitanire na ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni megutigirira ugitiri ndonahotoma kuona ni megukorwo makinyagia maabitha mbiraro 468 mwena uyu ta njira imwe ya kugacirithia ugitiri wa muingi.
Last year we did give money to train, equip and deploy additional NPRs for Turkana. But having assessed the situation, we are of the view that we need to increase the number of NPRs for Turkana County by 468, which will be spread across the areas where we still have problems.
Aikari a Turkana makoretwo makithukirwo ni itoi mahinda kwa mahinda makiria aria mari muhaka-ini wa Turkana na Pokot ya ithũĩro na muhaka-ini wa bururi wa Kenya na Uganda oro hamwe na bururi wa Sudani ya Kianda.
We still have problems in Turkana East, parts of Turkana North, Loima, and also in our border with South Sudan, the Nadapa area, and also in the north. We still have issues, a little different in Kibish area and Todonyang.
Gukiri uguo, Kindiki ni akomithitie itoi ici cia mahiu kuona gukinyiria riu ni marekete kuithukia makiria ma mahiu 5,600 na kuria maabitha ugitiri gukorwo magirerekeire wira-ini wao niguo gutigirira aikari mwena uyu ni mamukira ugitiri na njira nene.
The last 6 months, 6,800 livestock has been stolen from Turkana County by criminals who are suspected to be coming from neighboring county. Out of the 6,800, we have recovered 5,600. 1,200 livestock, heads of cattle and camels are outstanding. I have directed the county security and intelligence team to look for the remainder of the livestock, recover it and hand it over to their owners.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.